Hey, MJ, um, do you even grow weed, girl? Cause you're really obsessed with people who actually grow fucking weed, and I'm pretty sure you guys don't even grow. Come even one damn piece. Also, you need to stop making videos, cause your ass don't even do nothing but go on the people's lives and screen record. Like you really be dedicating your whole time and effort to this shit, honey. Also, do you like my videos? Cause they're way better than yours. Even yours can't compete or they can't compare, bitch. So your ass needs to grow up and get an actual job. I mean, do you even have a job?